Hey there, Uncle Vinny here. You know, they don't call me the Godfather of Blogging for nothing. Now, let's cut to the chase. You want to make some dough from blogging? Let's get into it. First things first, don't be a copycat, alright? Originality is king in this game. Recycling content? That's a no-go. People want fresh, unique ideas, not reheated leftovers. So, what's the secret sauce? Be you. Authenticity. You gotta find your voice, your style, your niche. And then you feed it to the world. And how do you do it? Step 1, pick a platform. WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, take your pick. Each has its pros and cons, find what suits your style. Step 2, create quality content. No fluff, no fillers. Deliver value, and the followers will come. Step 3, SEO. Sounds fancy, right? Search engine optimization. Keywords, backlinks, meta descriptions. It's all part of getting your blog on the map. Step 4, promote. Hit the streets of social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let the world know you exist. Now, here's the real kicker. You're probably thinking, Vinny, this sounds like a lot of work. And you're right. But let me paint you a picture. Imagine earning your own bread, being your own boss, letting your creativity fly. Sounds like the dream, doesn't it? Well, that's the blogging life for you. I get it. It's daunting. But every big shot was once a beginner. It's okay to be scared, but don't let that fear stop you. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start writing your story. Remember, the world needs your voice. Now go show them what you've got.